Fight.
Sitting atop the lineup for 2025, the new Black Edition trim for the Pilot suits up with gloss black 20-inch wheels, Black Edition badges, and other blacked-out exterior trim elements. The cabin gets a tuxedoed look as well, including embossed leather front seats and door mats featuring the Black Edition logo. The updates for 2024 are minimal for the Highlander. The base L trim has been discontinued, as are the bronze editions of the Hybrid and Hybrid XLE. In their place are LE Nightshade and XLE Nightshade trims of the hybrid model. Additionally, the XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum trims now have a power liftgate. All Pilot comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 285 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque that is connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Its MPG rating is 19 City 27 Highway for the front-wheel drive version and 19 City 25 Highway for all-wheel drive. The towing capacity is 5,000 pounds and MSRP starts at $39,900 to $54,280. Other than its hybrid powertrain, the Highlander comes with a 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder that produces 265 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. It's attached to an 8-speed auto transmission, and the MPG rating is 22 City 29 Highway for front-wheel drive and 21 City 28 Highway for all-wheel drive. The MSRP is $39,270 for the LE to $53,375 for the Hybrid Platinum. Unlike the Highlander, which gets no off-road capable trim, the Pilot gets the Trailsport, which comes with many off-road goodies. With a bit of a higher MSRP, the Pilot also comes with more standard safety features than the Highlander. Lastly, despite not being sporty, its handling is very precise. For its size, it's crazy that the biggest infotainment available is only 9 inches while the Highlander gets a 12.3-inch infotainment. Despite its top trim costing more than the Highlander's, its interior is also not as upscale. Since the Pilot is equipped with a naturally aspirated V6, it's going to have a slower acceleration as well. The Highlander is not a sporty car by any means, but the engine it comes with makes it respectably quick. Not only that, but the car comes standard with an 8-way power adjustable driver seat unlike the Pilot and all-around comfortable seats. The Highlander also the only one that provides a hybrid powertrain for those who wants to save more gas. Although the engine is pretty quick, it is noisy and rough on idle. The Highlander is also not as big as one would think, as the cabin is smaller than the Pilot and the third row is made only for kids. Lastly, although its hybrid engine saves more fuel, it is weaker in power. In summary, the Pilot is the more generic-looking and more rugged of the two SUV. Not only will it be able to fit people more comfortably, but it is more capable off-road with its Trailsport trim. However, it does cost more, slower, and doesn't offer the best features. The Highlander is definitely the better-looking and more nimble of the two. It may not be as roomy or have an off-road capable trim, but its top Platinum trim is more upscale than the Pilot's top trim, and has all the premium features you need but at a lower price. It also has more to offer with its hybrid engine. Therefore, the winner is the 2024 Toyota Highlander. Let me know down in the comments below if you agree or not. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video, turn on notifications and subscribe.